Hi, I'm Jack from IndoorOutdoors, and this is a quick product showcase of our Framola post bases. We do a range of floor sizes and we manufacture these from galvanised steel and give them a nice textured black powder coat. So we offer it in a 3-inch, 4, 5 and a 6. And if you note, it's got 5 fixing holes at the bottom that are suitable for lots of different types of fixings. So if you're fixing this to concrete or brick, we recommend a fixing like this. It's a concrete screw. You simply drill a hole and you screw it down. If you're screwing it onto decking or wood, you could use a coach screw like this or our sleeper fit screw. Now simply screw down nice and tight and hold it securely. Very easy to do. On our 4, 5 and 6, there's quite large holes, 9mm holes, so it allows you to use up to M8 bolts to fix it down. In our 3-inch version, we decided to go for 7mm holes, just because you're going to use smaller fixings and you may find you only need to use 4 fixings of the 5, or even one in the middle depending on your application. You can use these as post bases screwed down to the base, or if you wanted to fix posts vertically to a wall, you can simply screw them onto a wall. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm going to use our sleeper fit screw. You can even use these for concrete too. You can drill and raw plug and then screw down with this. This is a 65mm version and they do come with an 8mm hex bit. So imagine this was concrete and we'd put a raw plug in, you simply screw the post base down. So now this is screwed down securely, we simply insert the post. It uses this, you take your post, drop it in, and I recommend putting 1 screw in. You're probably going to need a friend to help you. I'm going to try to do this on my own. You want to put 1 screw in one side, and then you want to get a screw in, put it on the uprights and make sure you're screwing it in level. So you're going to hold it level and put a screw in on the opposite side. When installing the post base, we want to screw the side ones in first and the ones with the logo on and the one at the back last. And that's because timber comes in nominal sizes, which is sometimes a few millimeters under what this post base can accept. So these will slightly bend in and give it a really tight, snug fit. It's a very unique feature that you don't see on other models. Now we're going to install the screws front and back. Okay, so there you have it. Showed you our range and how to install it. If you've got any questions, just let us know. Thank you very much.